Hey guys, it's me Layla back with another video, and in today's video, we are going to be doing the color slime challenge. And how you do this is you close your eyes and whatever marker you pick is the one that you color your slime with. So this is just a slime that I'm trying to make a different color. It's really good consistency. So, yeah, I'm ready for this to get colored because I've been wanting this to get colored forever. So, let's pick the first color to color the slime. So, and you have to pick 3 colors. So, this one, I think this color should be good, I think. Then, what else should I get? I'm gonna get pink. Okay, so we're gonna put this. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys. So these are the colors I got. I got pink, blue, and purple. So let's color the slime. I hope this is gonna be a nice color for the slime. But I think it would be the nice color for the slime, fine for the slime, fine for the slime. Okay. Oh. The thing just tilted. Okay. Okay, I think this slime would be a galaxy slime to be with you, to agree with y'all. I think this would be a galaxy slime. What do y'all think? I should have got black though. But guys, what do you think in the comments? Do you think I would get a galaxy slime or not a galaxy slime? So this is a color it's making so far, so I'm gonna have to keep on doing this. So let's do this. Okay, and if I can't get it better than this, then I will just move on to the next slime. So I will see you in at least get this to a color that I would accept because this color is not going. So I will see you when this color gets to another color. So yeah. Okay guys, it's not the best color of slime, but I kind of like it, kind of. This is what the slime looks like, of course, droopy. It really didn't work for the galaxy. I was going for the galaxy, but this slime made a cool little thing. It's like silver with a little bit of purple in it. I'm making bubbles. So yeah, I guess this slime did not turn out what I was thinking it would turn out to be. So let's just go on to the next slime in my slime box. So the next slime is this little slime in here. This would be easy to color, and it's so tiny. Okay, so let's go and let's see what we get. So let's put these colors up. Wonder what else I can get for a color. I think I'm gonna get good colors this time instead of bad colors. Well, these are good colors, I mean. Okay, look. This one, and This one's really greedy. Are you serious? The horriblest colors on earth. Gray, blue, and red. Okay. The horriblest color at the whole entire world. There you go. And then the gray. I think this is not going to turn out to be what I was expecting it to be, but I mean, oh no. It's too liquidy. No. 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 Okay, that did not work. So the color reveal is still not out, but I think this is gonna be a good color for slime. So I will see you when I get done with all of the colors, mixing all of the colors. So guys, I just got done mixing all of the colors in with this slime, and it turns out to be red, kind of like a reddish brownish color. I don't like it, so let's just put that back in the container and just smush it down in there until it gets all the way smushed. Oh, okay, I got it. We're good. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside of the container. Yeah. Okay. Moving on to the next slime in here. Let's do this putty. So I got a putty in here. Yeah. So there's this putty in here. It's like stretchy though. Like it's not that stretchy. Like if you like, you have to go slow with it. Okay. So let's roll it into the line. You gotta go super slow with it to make it work, but if you yank it, see guys, it does that. So okay, so now let's see what next colors we get. I'm hoping for a good color because I want like a purple, a red. I just want colors that are good. Okay, so I want guys, I don't know what one to pick, so let's pick. Let me look at the colors to see which one I should get. Okay, I'm thinking I should get red, so let's mix them up. What about this? This. And which one should I grab? Which one should I grab? Let's do, this one doesn't look good. This is a hard decision. I want a yellow. Can I get a yellow? Is this a yellow? No. This, no, this one doesn't look good. Which one? Which one? I'm thinking I should go for yellow, and I think this is yellow. Okay, let's look. Are you kidding me? At least I got red. I was hoping for yellow. I was hoping for yellow. Okay, let's just do this. Let's bomb it, bomb it, bomb it, bomb it, bomb it. Okay, perfect. Then let's get it, get it, get it, get it. I just do it everywhere, but who cares? Now let's get it, get it, get it, get it. This orange does not work. It's kind of a gold, but yeah, who cares? But now let's mix. This putty ain't looking like putty no more. only gonna push me away, that's it. But when I say you love me, you say you crazy when nothing. So I'm gonna add these 2 more colors since the orange does not work, sadly. Okay, now let's do this. Don't mess it up. Talking that, only gonna push me away, that's it. Okay, so guys, this is what the putty looks like. It's not the best putty ever, but I mean, at least we got it to there. So now, we gotta go to our next slime, which is this one, I think, yeah. Okay, so, let's go to our next slime color. Okay, so, let's do this, then do this. Okay, so I'm wondering what I should get. So these 2 colors sound really good. Next color. No, I don't want yellow no more. I want purple. I think this is a purple. Okay, guys, in the comment sections down below, tell me if this is a purple or not, because I think it is. And I just heard one failed. Did I get all of them? I got 2. Then I got another one. So I think this one's purple, this one's blue, and gray. I mean, it's not that bad of colors, but I'd say I wouldn't go with it. But let's do this. I mean, I didn't get the best colors, but I mean, I didn't get the good colors though. That's not going to do that. Only gonna push me away, that's it. But when I say you love me, you say you're crazy. We're nothing more than friends. I'm not your lover, more like a brother. I know you since we were like 10. Okay, now let's go for this. Hey, we're going for it. Hey, we're going for it. Hey, we're going for it. Hey. My camera battery's about to die. It's bad. It's about to die. I don't know why, but the reason why I'm adding more red to it is because I put only 2 dots in. I put like 4 dots for the other ones. I need to put more red in it. I mean, it's not the best slime, but I mean, at least it's slime. 3, 2, 1, burn. So guys, thank you all for watching. See you next time, and bye.